Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be demonstrating the face pull exercise. This is one of my favorite exercises for anybody that's dealing with chronic neck, upper back, and shoulder pain because it targets the muscle right at the base of the neck in that upper back, which a lot of times is hard to target with just the traditional row. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate the exercise, but before I do, I'll talk a little bit about the setup. First thing is, we're gonna hook our band at about chin height. So again, a traditional row, we hook at about chest height. This is gonna be moved up a little bit to at our chin level. Next, we're gonna use an overhand grip. So grab the band overhand like this. Again, the traditional row, a lot of times you use this neutral grip. For the face pull, we're going overhand grip. And the other thing to keep in mind is you just want your hands straight out in front of you. So there'll be about a foot in between your hands. Sometimes when people set up, they kind of do this narrow grip here. That's not what we want. We want about a foot in between your hands. Once you have that all set up, the movement is just gonna be a row, just pulling the band to your face. That's why it's called the face pull. Again, I use my chin usually as the reference, and that is it. Now there are a few things to keep in mind as you do this exercise to make sure that we're doing it right. The first is keeping your elbows up in line with your shoulders. So a lot of people when they first do this exercise have a tendency to want to kind of drop the shoulders here and pull like this. We want those elbows up. Now with that being said, what we have to be careful of is not to hunch our shoulders. That's a common compensation in people who are weak in this area. So we want to keep our elbows up without hunching our shoulders. So elbows up and try to relax these upper trap as much as you can. The next thing to pay attention to is spinal movement. So a lot of times when people do any row variation, the face pull included, is they'll add too much resistance and to compensate, but kind of get the spinal movement here, which again, is just gonna lead to issues elsewhere in the body, lower back, mid back, not what we're going for. So as you do the face pull, be sure to keep a slight abdominal brace to limit any of that spinal movement with the face pull. And the last thing is to avoid your chin jutting out. So a lot of people that have chronic neck, upper back, and shoulder pain have a postural compensation where their head kind of falls forward, their chin juts out like this. And so you'll see it when people do these row variations. And so what we don't want is each pull for our chin to jut out like that. So be sure to pull your chin back, slight abdominal brace, elbows up, relax those upper traps, and pull right to your chin. So there you have it. That is the face pull exercise, one of my favorite exercises for upper back, neck, and shoulder pain. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Hey, it's Dr. Baird here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page to catch all our videos designed to help you build the strength and confidence to live active, healthy, and happy lives. You won't find it anywhere else.